Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel one more time. Thank you for watching my videos. Today we'll be having a trip to the Dubai Mall where we'll be going to the underwater zoo and the underwater aquarium. Yeah, I want you all to join me on this trip where we'll have a trip to the Dubai Mall and the underwater aquarium. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a comment in the comment section after watching this video, like this video, and follow my Instagram page. Thank you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome once again. Now I'm at the Dubai Mall. Yeah, I'm about to gain my entrance into the Dubai Mall. When we get in, we're going to the aquarium, Dubai Aquarium, and the Dubai Underwater Zoo. Join me as we go in to the Dubai Mall. Thank you. With over 1,000 stores, the Dubai Mall also boasts of a huge selection of restaurants, a nice skating rink, an aquarium, and a 26-screen cinema. The Dubai Underwater Aquarium and Zoo is a large attraction at the center of the Dubai Mall. The entrance to the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo is located on the ground level of the Dubai Mall. Visitors can stand past the attraction for as long as they want, but the average person spends around 20 minutes in the aquarium. The aquarium is home to over 30,000 aquatic animals, including over 400 sharks, caiman crocodiles, and rays. The underwater aquarium comprises of a large aquarium tank measuring 51 meters long, 21 meters deep, and 11 meters high. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm having a very wonderful time now. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a comment in the comment section, Click like button and follow my Instagram page. This video continues. Thank you. The Rainforest Cafe is next to the mall. The themed cafe features life-size models of animals such as the gorilla, the crocodile, and snakes hidden amongst a recreation of the rainforest. Patrons also enjoy a great view of the aquarium tank. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video of the tour into the Dubai Mall, the underwater aquarium, the underwater zoo. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a comment in the comment section, and follow my Instagram page, ladies and gentlemen. I sincerely love you all. Thank you very much for watching my videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.